Hello students, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss the NCERT exemplar question of the chapter The Reproductive Health from the unit Reproduction of the class 12th. So as you all know that the reproductive health is one of the most important chapter of the important unit, that is the reproduction. So let's start with the question which is given on the screen. So the first question is, the method of directly injecting a sperm into ovum is assisted by reproductive technology called first gift, B zift, C ICSI, D ET. So the correct option is C ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So the next question is, increased IMR and decreased MMR in a population will first causes rapid increase in growth rate, B result in decline in growth rate, C not cause significant change in the growth rate, D result in an explosive population. So the correct option is B result in decline in growth rate. So the next question is, intensely lactating mothers do not generally conceive due to the A suppression of gonadotrophin, B hypersecretion of gonadotrophin, C suppression of gametic transport, D suppression of fertilization. So the correct option is A suppression of gonadotrophin. So the next question is, sterilization technique are generally foolproof method of contraception with least side effect, yet this is the last option for the couple because first, it is almost irreversible, B of the misconception that it will reduce sexual urge drive, third, it is a surgical procedure, fourth, of lack of sufficient facilities in many parts of the country. Choose the correct option, and that is various option is given below. So the correct option is all is the correct option, that is D, first, second, third and fourth. So the next question is, a national level approach to build up a reproductive health society was taken up in our country in A 1950, B 1960, C 1980, D 1990. Before I telling you the answer, that all the date which is mentioned in the NCERT chapters, it's not important. Only a certain date is important in the which is given in the NCERT chapter. So this is one of the important unit, important date which you have to learn. There is no any other option regarding to learning that. So then correct answer is A 1915. So the next question is, emergency contraceptive are effective if used within A 72 hours of coitus, B 72 hours of ovulation, C 72 hours of menstruation, D 72 hours of implantation. So the correct option is A 72 hours of coitus. So the next question is, choose the right one among the statements given below. A. IUDs are generally inserted by the user herself. B. IUDs increases phagocytosis reaction in the uterus. C. IUDs suppress gametogenesis. D. IUDs once inserted not to be replaced. So the correct option is B. IUDs increase phagocytosis reaction in the uterus. So the next question is, following the statements are given regarding MTP. Choose the correct option given below. MTP are generally advised during first trimester. Second, MTP are used as a contraceptive method. Third, MTP are always surgical. Fourth, MTP requires the assistance of qualified medical personnel. And there is a various option given below. So the correct answer is C, first and fourth. The first one is, MTP are generally advised during first trimester. Fourth, MTP require the assistance of qualified medical personnel. So the next question is, from the sexual transmitted disease mentioned below, identify the one which does not specify affect the sex organ. So A syphilis, B AIDS, C gonorrhea, D genital warts. So the correct answer is B AIDS. So the next question is, condoms are one of the most popular contraceptive because of the following reasons. A. These are effective barriers for insemination. B. They do not interfere with the coital act. C. These help in reducing the risk of STDs. And D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. So the next question is, choose the correct statement regarding the ZIFT procedure. A. Ova collected from a female donor are transferred to the fallopian tube to facilitate zygote formation. B. Zygote is collected from a female donor and transferred to the fallopian tube. C. Zygote is collected from a female donor and transferred to the uterus. D. Ova collected from a female donor and transferred to the uterus. So the correct answer is B. Zygote is collected from a female donor and transferred to the fallopian tube. So the next question is, the correct surgical procedure as a contraceptive method is A. Ovarictomy, B. Hysterectomy, C. Vasectomy, D. Castration. So the correct answer is C. Vasectomy. So the next question is, diaphragm are contraceptive devices used by the females. Choose the correct option from the statement given below. The first, they are introduced into the uterus. They are placed to cover the cervical region. Third, they act as a physical barrier for sperm entry. Fourth, they act as a spermicidal agents. There are various options given below. So the correct answer is C, second and third. The second is they are placed to cover the cervical region. Third, they act as a physical barrier for sperm entry. So these are all the questions. So guys, this is the question which is directly asked PYQ. So you can see that how is the important is the NCERT exemplars, that the direct question is coming from the NCERT exemplar. This is one of the important question. So don't miss the NCERT example before going into the exam. And if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and help to grow my channel. Thank you for watching my video.